Kajala Megalaya Haduh Shibajim and Sngi Jaka Arpulai Tregunai Lord Arja Arpo Kladan Shispa Nyo Pongot Kibiotamayu COVID-19 but Shispa Sanpulai would Kiblakot no. Director Health Service Dr. Amanwar Ulapante Banakini Shispa Nyo Pongot Kibiotamai Shispa Hanyongut Kidena East Castle District Lapinongut Nariboy District Sangut na West Garo Hills District Sangut na North Garo Hills District Langut na West Gianta Hills but Langut na East Gianta Hills District Naki Shispa Sanpulangot Kibakot Mynta Sngi, Shispa Hatlangot Gidena East Castle District, Kanyongut na Riboy District, Kanyongut na West Garo Hills District, Langut na Southwest Garo Hills District, Argut na East Gianta Hills, Bat Iway na South Garo Hills District. Dr. Amanwar Lapinte Bru Bukidan Sangut Kiblaklat Mynta Sngi no COVID-19. Langut Gidena East Castle District, Bat Iway de na Southwest Garo Hills District. Da kajing yo thamai kini ki shispa nyo pungut kajing kot no jong shispa san phulai ngut bar kajing khlat no ki sapu arngut kajala megalaya hare bapmi yakani ka khubor karan 6000 khandai spa 100 phoi tali ki positive case 8000 100 phoi tali ki active case 8000 praspa san khandai tali ki recovered case ba sapu arngut ki blak khlat no.
The number of new cases today is 170. East RiKhasi Hills East RiKhasi Hills 117, and out of this 117, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces 1, and others category 116. Riboy 37, West Garo Hills 5, 4 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 1 others category. North Garo Hills 5, West Gianta Hills 3, and East Gianta Hills 3. The total number of active cases is 2060, and out of this 1472 are in East RiKhasi Hills, 174 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 1298 others category. West RiKhasi Hills 13, Southwest RiKhasi Hills 6, Riboy 156, 32 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 124 from the others category. West Gianta Hills 12, East Gianta Hills 275, West Garo Hills 95, 50 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 45 from the others category. Southwest Garo Hills 11, South Garo Hills 5, East Garo Hills 6, and North Garo Hills 9. The total number of recovered cases today is 153, and out of this 113 are from East RiKhasi Hills, 14 are from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 99 from the others category. Riboy 17, 10 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 7 others category. West Garo Hills 17, 9 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 8 others category. Southwest Garo Hills 3, East Gianta Hills 2, and South Garo Hills 1. The number of deaths today, as recorded new, is 4. 3 from East RiKhasi Hills and 1 from Southwest Garo Hills. The total number of recovered cases stands at 2,859, and the total number of deaths is 42. The total number of persons tested till 2 p.m. today is 1,36,932. and the total number of persons who tested negative is 1,31,971. The number of people who entered into our state till 2 p.m. today is 39,808.